I'm Alex. I'm a horticulturist at RHS Garden Wisley, and I have a real passion for houseplants. If you've recently bought a houseplant or you're thinking of buying one, this series will give you all the basic tips you need to know to help your houseplants flourish in your home. Welcome to Houseplant 101. So to start off with, I'm going to talk you through 3 different types of plants. We've got your foliage plants, we've got your cacti, and your succulents. This foliage plant is a calathea. Calathea are from subtropical regions where humidity is high, water is readily available for the roots, and lighting isn't too intense. It's worth bearing in mind to help these flourish, you will need to recreate these conditions in your home. Next up, Next up we have a cactus. Now this is an echinocactus. All cacti are desert types. You can imagine the light intensity is very high, water is sparse, the air is dry, and the temperature is hot. All of these conditions already exist in a lot of people's homes, so they're pretty easy, pretty robust to take care of. And lastly, succulents. Now succulents require exactly the same conditions as cacti. Heat, lighting, and very little water. The great thing about succulents is they come in all different shapes, sizes, colours, textures, and they can really bring a windowsill to life. Stay tuned for the rest of the series where I'll be talking watering, lighting, feeding, everything you need to know about keeping your houseplants alive.